In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your blocked accounts on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right into it. We all know how social media platforms can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, and occasionally we need to draw some boundaries. On Pinterest, blocking someone is a way to limit your interactions with accounts whose content you no longer wish to see. So, checking who you've blocked can be an important part of managing your Pinterest experience. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you need to do is open up the Pinterest app or website and sign into your account. If you have it already set up, this should be quick and easy. Just enter your credentials and you'll be taken straight to your home feed where all the magic happens. Once you're signed in, look for a little menu icon at the bottom left of the screen. It might look like a small downward-facing arrow or 3 lines, depending on whether you're using the app or the website. Click on that icon and it will open up a menu with various options. Now from this menu, you'll want to click on Settings. This is where you can manage your account settings, privacy, notifications, and of course, blocked accounts. The Settings menu will give you a lot of options that might interest you, but for now, we're focusing on social permissions. Once you're in the settings, keep your eyes peeled for an option labeled Social Permissions. Click on that, and you'll see a list of different social features. This is also a good section to explore if you're curious about what permissions you've granted, but again, we are looking for blocked accounts today. Scroll down a bit, and you should see the section that says Blocked Accounts. Now this is where you can manage all the accounts that you have blocked in the past. It's a good idea to check this list every so often, especially if you've had some changes in your Pinterest activity, or if you've reconsidered blocking certain accounts. Now to review the accounts you've blocked, click on the Edit List button. You will now see a full list of all the accounts you've decided to block. It's quite straightforward. If you see an account that you no longer wish to block, maybe someone you had a misunderstanding with, or perhaps you just want access to their pins again, unblocking them is just as easy. Right next to the account name, there should be an option that says Unblock. When you click on that, Pinterest will ask you to confirm your decision. Just go ahead and click Unblock once more to finalize it. And just like that, the account is unblocked, and you can start interacting with their content again. If you're using the Pinterest app, the steps are very similar. Start by logging into your Pinterest account, tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner, and then find the Settings option in your profile area. From there, look for Social Permissions, and follow the same path as we did earlier to get to blocked accounts. Each step mirrors what we just discussed, and you'll be able to manage the blocked accounts without any hiccups. So, that's a quick overview of how to check and manage your blocked accounts on Pinterest. It's an easy process that can enhance your browsing experience, ensuring you only see the content you're truly interested in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!